So this is the little oven that I use to make the charcoal. I used to use an open barbecue, but this is a little more controlled. You can still do it on a barbecue, the same thing applies. When it stops smoking, it's done, kind of thing. But this little oven that we made has got a little element inside, as you can see, and a thermostat control at the back of it. So it's set to 250. Sometimes we go up to 300, but it's currently running at 137. You can see. And then I cut the wood down. Yeah, I can see this wood down. These are sticks of hazelwood, and I cut them down and put them into a tin like this, because I'm looking at the screen and not looking at the tin. And let me get it open. And so I put them in the tins like this. They've got to have a metal top, because the foil tops tended to collapse with the pressure. As long as there's a hole in it to let the gas out of it as well, that's quite important. The tins end up looking like that because of all the burnt. They get burnt so hot, but it takes about an hour to do it. The temperature will get up to speed, and then I'll put the tin on the resting on the little block there. It's a thermal brick, and that's it. I just wait for it to do it. I probably get about I don't know, 80% hit rate on it. It doesn't always work, but yeah, there's enough for me to use from a tin, so more than enough really. So that's it. I'll come back when it's done and show you what it looks like. So here's a quick check on the charcoal, see if it's cooking okay. You can see it's smoking out the end. It definitely smells. It's a great smell, by the way. But it's on its way. I don't think it's anywhere near long enough yet, but it'll start really throwing smoke out when it's there you go, like that, when it starts to cook properly. Okay, I'm going to check on the charcoal now. It's probably been an hour and a half, to be honest. It's running at 250, you can see now at 250, and there's lots of smoke coming out the chimney. So let's have a look and see what's there. You go, look, smoking literally. You can see coming out the end of the hole. Let me just get it out, and I'll be able to tell. This is the second tin that I put in, and I can usually tell by the weight of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it cool down. You can see it's quite smoking quite a lot. That's basically the wood gas is burning off, so the wood itself isn't burning, so there's no oxygen getting in there. But I'm going to let it cool down, because often it'll carry on cooking, you see. So I'll let it cool down, and we'll see how it's turned out. Okay, so this is it now, cooled down, and just loosen the top off, and there you go. There's all the charcoal that's come out of that batch. So I'll give it a try, and I'll draw something with it later or tomorrow, and then you can see how it worked out.